And then siyawalka say Sun Coast. We're going to check out the distant South Coast, which is Konagunja. And then we would have covered all well, half the north side. That is too far. It's a lot of parties and banging music. Up to the Mgeni River. We're not going there. I don't have an energy to go 8 kilometers at night. But in Shaka Marine, that one is very fast. So Boyangala. So just the south coast, this is Shaka Marine, and then we go back home.